Just about to hit the road and start a new mural for Indeed. They asked me to come back, which is pretty cool. First I gotta get some coffee and I gotta go to the post office. I go to the post office every day because you awesome people ordering stuff from my online store, thank you for that. That's part of my daily routine now. So yeah, I'm gonna hit the road and hopefully we're gonna make a cool mural today. So check it out. Yeah! This is the wall. It's bigger than I thought. Alright, nice little column in the way. Alright, I just loaded all my stuff in. Now I'm gonna go back to my shop Statix and park there because I have monthly parking there. And then walk back here and start working on this mural. So, let's do it. I'm here at the Indeed offices in Seattle, about to start this mural. So I'm gonna lay down some paper and tape it off to protect this carpet. I'm a little nervous about this carpet, but try to be tidy and not make too big of a mess. So here we go. I'm down here on the street so I can talk to the camera a little bit. It's super quiet up there. There's like employees like 30 feet from me, so I don't want to be like, what's up, YouTubes? Subscribe to my channel. So I'm down here, I'm working on the background, got the first layer up. I'm waiting for it to dry. Might be a one coat situation. The paint is really pretty thick and it's nice paint. Good coverage. And I was gonna use my projector, but I don't know if I can do that because there's like this big column right in the middle of the wall and it's gonna block the projector. I can't like get perspective straight on. So I don't know, we'll figure it out. I might just sketch it freehand, figure it out. But yeah, I just wanted to come down here and say what's up because it's way too quiet for me to be talking into the camera up there. I might like go to the bathroom and update you guys. It'll be all echoey. So yeah, that's what's going on now, waiting for that to dry, and then we'll get back to it. All right, so next I gotta get this circle on there, and what I'm gonna do is, don't tell Indeed, I'm gonna take a small nail and knock it into the wall there, tie a string to it, and then put a pencil on the string and make a circle that way. I brought some patching stuff to patch the hole, so shh, mum's the word. Alright, so yeah, in the end I just decided to freehand the mural because this pillar was in the way. I'm using some sidewalk chalk to sketch my concept art onto the wall. Sidewalk chalk is great because if I make a mistake or I decide that it's not quite right, I can just use a wet washcloth and wipe the chalk away. Took a little while, but worked out okay. I'm using Golden brand fluid acrylics on this mural, and the background colors are like some latex paint from Lowe's or something like that. I always end up going with Golden, a little bit more pricey, but just excellent paint. But don't get too caught up on what kind of paint to use. Just practice a lot, and you know, the tools aren't what it's about the person using them. Alright, so it's the end of the day, day one, feeling good about the progress, got the sketch up, so I'm gonna go home and catch this tomorrow. Alright, it's day two. It's early. It's still dark outside. It's cold. It's January. I usually wake up every day between 4 and 5 a.m. I like to be awake before the rest of the world. I usually get most of my work done from like 4 a.m. to 11 a.m. because the rest of the day is answering emails and shipping out orders and doing accounting and running my business and working with customers. A lot of this stuff that people probably don't think most of my time is filled up with is what the majority of my time is filled up with. All the boring stuff of like running a business. So the early morning is usually when I get a lot of my creative stuff done. But I'm about to head down to the mural location. Yesterday I got the chalk part all chalked out, the sketch is up, started painting a little bit. Today is gonna be full-on painting, and I just am realizing I forgot my headphones at home. So I'm gonna go back and grab those real quick. But yeah, time to get some coffee and get rolling. So So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know if you guys can see me right now because it's super dark outside, but whatever. Done a mural in a while. My body is sore. Oh, it's tough. Ooh, about halfway through, I think, and feeling the burn a little bit. It's winter. It's not mural season, so time to get back to painting. It's kind of crazy. This whole mural is kind of based around this color, ultramarine blue, and this color, bat orange. Adding white to it, adding black to it. When I add the black to this bat orange, it kind of turns into this brown color of the leather jacket. When I add white or black to this, you got the jeans, you got the face. I got like 6 or 7 of my little flip cups over here, and they're all filled with versions of oranges and blues. And it's kind of cool to just make a whole mural kind of centered around these 2 colors, which are also the colors of Indeed. That's kind of their logo, and it's kind of the colors of the interior design in these office spaces. So kind of working with the vision that the client has is maybe something that bugs some artists, but for me as an artist, it's a kind of a cool challenge to wrap my creativity and my artistic mind around someone else's dreams and goals and vision and what they want. Super exhausted. I'm really like feeling this one. I think it looks awesome, especially compared to the mural that I did here before. The mural that I did here before was just flat color fills with like black line art, and it was cool, but it wasn't a full use of my artistic abilities and who I am as an artist. It's kind of fun to take the idea that I did the first time and push it forward a little bit further. The concept on this mural is the golden chick. So what Indeed does is they find the best candidates for the job, or you know, if you need a job, you use their service to sort of put your resume in. And there's all these penguins here, but this central character has found the golden chick, and that's kind of representative of what Indeed does. They're gonna find the cream of the crop, and so I don't know, that was my idea for it. Anyway, I'm rambling. I'm gonna hit the road and back at it tomorrow, hopefully be done tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys on the flippy floppy.
O tempo parou, assim, é a lua. O tempo parou, assim.
Alright, it's day 3 at the Indeed offices. I am hoping to be done today. I start another mural tomorrow, so hopefully I'll finish. Maybe I'll have to go late. We'll see what happens. Joe gotta finish my main character and then all the little penguin dudes that are chilling with him. So I'm just gonna keep painting, and it's pretty far along. I think I'll finish today. Hopefully I'll finish today. Yeah, let's do it. Yo, shout out to Indeed. Shout out to Indeed and any company that understands the value of artwork in the workplace or in corporate offices or on their business. There's a lot of really cool companies that are really starting to understand that big, fun, original murals in the workplace is great for worker morale. It's great for recruiting the best talent, and more of my gigs are for these awesome kind of companies. Something that's really cool about this is that I did that first mural for Indeed, and you know, a few months later, evidently their employees employees liked it so much that they asked me to do another one in the same offices. And that's like the hugest compliment I could be paid as an artist. Getting like a repeat client and having them ask me to come back and do more art in their offices. I was like so happy. That's so cool. So thank you Indeed for hiring local muralists to make your offices cooler and to brighten the workplace and to bring a little bit of creativity to the place where your employees are creative. Yeah, this video isn't sponsored by Indeed, but any company that understands the value of art in the workplace is super dope in my book. Well, that's it. I'm finished. It took me 3 days. Thank you so much to Indeed for having me, for asking me to paint this, and for asking me to come back after I did my first one here. That's a huge compliment. If you guys like this video, leave a like. If you want to drop a comment, do that. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can even ring the bell if you want to know exactly when the next video is coming out. Thank you guys so much. Check out my Patreon if you wanna, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hey, are you still there? Well, this video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is a super awesome online learning community. There's tons of tutorials on there on art and Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, filmmaking, business, all kinds of stuff. They have tutorials on everything. It's like super cool learning place. There's a link down in the description where you get 2 free months of Skillshare if you click my link. Also, if you sign up through my link, you support this channel. It's a super win-win situation. I couldn't find anywhere in this video to put this ad, and I didn't want to sacrifice my creative integrity, so I put it at the end. I know that means a whole lot less of you are probably watching this, but you know, what are you gonna do? I didn't want to like interrupt the story I was trying to tell. So if you want 2 free months of Skillshare and you also want to support this channel, click the link down in the description and learn some stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm 1000. I had a great time making this mural and this video, and I hope you had a great time watching it. Thank you so much.